What's up? What's up? Rosey Gamer here, and today I have a very special guest. This is Rosey. Rosey, Rose, whatever. The rose-breasted cockatoo or whatever. I don't know. It's something rose-breasted.
Get her a dog.
Come on, Rosey. Come on.
Love you. I love you.
She only knows how to say "come on."
Oh.
Come on.
For now, but you gotta teach her other words.
Come on. She knows how to say "come on," but she's not. Come on. Come on, pretty bird. And this is actually my aunt's bird. But, if she ever needs a babysitter, stop that. If she ever needs a babysitter, I'm right here. Rosey. 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 Pretty bird. I love you. She sometimes needs a little help. I love you. Yes, I do. Rosey, I love you. I love you. Rosey. Pretty bird. Hey, pretty bird. Are you a pretty bird? Yes, you are. Pretty bird. Pretty pink. Pretty pink little bird. Yes, you are. She is like so soft. Nope, not that fun. Okay, chill out. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hey, hi. Trying to get her to say hi. Hi. Pretty bird. Crazy, I just love her so much, and she is literally the softest bird I have ever felt. Then again, probably the only bird.
You want to go by Lance? You want to go by the car wash? Yes, I got food. Is that your soda?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on to it because when you go to close the door, it's gonna. There you go.
There you
I
go.
will. She will be more than fine. We just gotta get her acclimated.
Rosey.
Thank you, love.
Hi, Rosie. Bye, baby. Bye-bye. You be good.
Bye, sweetie.
Going to a new home. Yes. Yes, you are. No, quit trying to escape, you smart little bird.
That's what he said. She'll try to get out of that cage quick.